Hey Pi Network pioneers, welcome back to another exciting update about Pi Network. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Pi Network and cryptocurrency. Today, I've got some major news for all pioneers worldwide. Pi Network has just announced a major update regarding the KYC process and mainnet migration. If you're still waiting to verify your KYC or migrate your Pi to the mainnet, this is great news for you. Breaking news. The Pi Network team has officially extended the grace period deadline for KYC and mainnet migration to February 28, 2025. This extension means that all pioneers who haven't completed their KYC or migrated their Pi have more time to get everything done, but pay attention because this extension does not mean that the open network launch is delayed. The open network could still launch before or after this new deadline. What does this mean for you? This extension ensures that more pioneers have a fair chance to complete their verification and secure their Pi. If you miss this deadline, you might lose your Pi forever. So if you haven't submitted your KYC application yet, do it now. If you haven't completed the mainnet checklist, get it done before February 28, 2025. How to secure your Pi. 1. Check if you're eligible for KYC in the Pi Network app. 2. Submit your KYC application as soon as possible. 3. Complete the mainnet checklist in the Pi app. 4. Migrate your Pi to mainnet before the deadline. Time is running out. The Pi core team is working hard to ensure fairness and accessibility for all pioneers. But remember, this is your last chance to complete these steps. If you don't act before February 28, 2025, you may lose access to your mined Pi permanently. Final reminder, don't wait until the last minute, act now and secure your Pi today. For more details, tap Read More in the Pi Network app. What do you think about this extension? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Pi Network.